everyone. Welcome to Athens News. I'm Sophia. Big news today. Our city is deciding whether to build new ships for our navy. Let's see how our government is handling this. How's it going over there, Alexios?
Hi, I'm Alexios, a member of the Council of 500. We met yesterday to talk about the ships. I was chosen by lottery to be on the council this year. Our job is to get things ready for the assembly to vote on. We figured out how much the ships would cost and wrote a plan. We don't make the final decision. The citizens do that at the assembly.
Thanks, Alexios. Now let's go to the assembly meeting. Thea, what's happening there?
Hi, Sophia. I'm at the Nix Hill where thousands of citizens are meeting for the assembly. It's really loud here. Only men who are citizens can vote. Not women, not foreigners, and definitely not slaves. That means most people in Athens don't get to vote. A citizen just finished speaking about why we need the ships. Now another is talking about why it's too expensive.
Can you find a citizen to talk to us?
Yes, here's Demetrios who just voted.
Hi, I'm Demetrios. I got a vote today by raising my hand. I voted yes for the new ships because I think we need them to protect our city. I like that I get to vote directly on important decisions. In Athens, we citizens make the laws ourselves. We don't elect other people to make decisions for us like in some places. That's what direct democracy means.
What happens next, Demetrios?
Well, the votes were counted and most people voted yes. So we'll build the ships. The council will help make sure the money is spent correctly. That's how our government works. The council prepares things. We citizens vote in the assembly, and then officials carry out our decisions.
Thanks, everyone. Today we saw how Athens makes decisions. The Council of 500 prepared the proposal, citizens debated and voted at the assembly, and now the decision will be carried out. That's Athenian democracy in action.